Imagine someone hands you a random topic right now and you have exactly 60 seconds to speak. No preparation, no notes. Your heart races, your mind freezes, and suddenly you are blank. And you know why does this happen? Because speaking on the spot is not about talent. It's about having a mental framework ready to fire at any moment. But before we dive deep, if you genuinely want to speak fluently, think fast, and express your ideas clearly, join my communication classes. It's built for students and professionals who want real transformation. You will learn frameworks, live speaking practice, articulation techniques, and personal feedback. So click the link in the description to book your slot. Now, let's dive in. Have you ever noticed something strange? When we freeze while speaking, it's not because we don't have ideas. It's because our brain has no structure to arrange those ideas. And here's the truth: communication doesn't start from the mouth, it doesn't even start from the mind. It starts from a framework. Just like big companies run on systems and templates, great speakers run on mental frameworks. Because frameworks helps you think clearly even when you are under pressure. So today I'll give you two such frameworks that can turn you into a clear, confident, on the spot speaker even if you get only 10 seconds to prepare. Framework number 1, PATS. So what PATS framework is? PATS is a communication framework used when you need to explain a topic from both sides, pros and cons. It gives a structured way to answer in a balanced and complete manner. Perfect for discussions, debates, analysis based answers, exam questions, workplace decisions. And PAT stands for point, means your main idea, advantages, means why it is good or what are the benefits, then disadvantages, why it can be bad or what are the limitations. Then summary, means balanced conclusion. This makes your answer neutral, fair, comprehensive, and well organized. Now let's see a simple example of PATS. Topic is social media useful for students? Point. Social media can be useful for students if used properly. Then, advantages. It helps in learning new skills, connecting with teachers, and getting educational content. Then, disadvantages. However, it can also become a distraction and lead to time wastage if not controlled properly. Then, summary. So, in summary, social media is beneficial only when used wisely with discipline. Now, since you understood PATS, let's see second framework, OREO. OREO is a four-step communication structure used to answer questions, give opinions, or speak on a topic in a clear, confident, and organized way. It is perfect for impromptu speech, interviews, group discussions, short 1 2 minute answer, or opinion based questions. OREO stands for opinion, your clear stand on the topic. Then reasons, why you believe this opinion. Then example or experience, a real life example or personal experience. Then opinion again, restate your main point with confidence. This structure makes your answer logical, easy to follow, and convincing. Now, let's take a simple example of OREO. Topic is online learning useful? Opinion, I think online learning is extremely useful today. Reason, because it allows people to access quality education anytime, anywhere. Example, for example, during the lockdown, many students continued their studies using online classes, which prevented a complete academic gap. Then, opinion again. So, yes, online learning is definitely a powerful and effective learning method. So, this is how you should employ these frameworks in your speech. Now, let's learn how to practice these frameworks. Next time you know you must speak in a meeting or class, first choose a topic, then decide which framework fits better. Then prepare your answer using that structure. Then deliver it exactly with that flow. Once your brain gets used to frameworks in prepared situation, you will automatically use them in unprepared situation. And that is how you speak confidently when you are put on the spot. And remember, confidence is not the absence of fear. It's the presence of framework. This is Fluency Journey, helping you think fast, speak smart, and grow every day. I'll see you in the next one.